Hello viewers and dear students, those who are interested to solve voice change, I have published this video for them. I have already discussed what is voice change, definition of voice change, classification of voice change and rules of voice change, how to change active into passive and passive into active through my another video I have already published. So I am going to discuss some important voice change and I will solve it. You must note it and pen down in your notebook. So let us discuss the sentences. Number 81. Our school is going to be opened by the headmaster. Our school is going to be opened by the headmaster. What will be? It is passive voice because there is going to be plus past participle of main verb. You must remember if there is going to verb, if there is going to verb, going to verb will not be changed. Only in passive voice going to plus be plus past participle of main verb and subject will be object and object will be subject as it is. So what will be? Our school is going to be opened by the headmaster. Headmaster will be subject. Headmaster, the headmaster is going to open our school. Okay. What will be? The headmaster is going to open our school. Next, 82. We are helping the man. Passive. We are helping the man. It is present continuous tense. So there will be am being, is being, are being and past participle of main verb. There is we are helping the man. The man will be subject. Okay. The man is being helped by us. What will be? The man is being helped by us. Next, 83. We have already prevented the virus. We have already prevented the virus. It is present perfect tense and we can change it into passive voice. How? There is object the virus. The virus will be subject. So the virus has already been prevented by us. What will be? The virus has already been prevented by us. We know in perfect tense there will be have been, has been plus past participle of main verb. So what will be? The virus has already been prevented by us. Next, 84. Let their hands be washed with hand sanitizer by our children. What will be? Let will not be changed. Let will be changed because there are two noun phrases. The hands and our children. So let will not be changed. Let will be changed when if there is only one subject and one object. There are two subject, two nominative case or two noun phrase, our children, your children and their hands. So let will not be changed. When let will be changed? If there is let the sum be done. Let the sum be done. There is only the sum, no other noun phrase here and no other subject and object. So let will be changed. How? Let the sum be done, do the sum. There will not be late. But here late will not be omitted because there is the hands, their hands and your children. Okay. So what will be? Let will be let your children, let your children wash their hands with hand sanitizer. What will be? Let your children wash their hands with hand sanitizer. Okay. Next number. Number 85. How has food been given them by you? How has food been given them by you? Active voice, because it is passive voice, because there is has been plus past participle of main verb by you, so it is passive voice. How can we change this passive voice into active voice? How has food been given them by you? What will be? How have you given them food? What will be? How have you given them food? Okay. Next, 86. They are preventing coronavirus. They are preventing coronavirus. What will be? Coronavirus will be subject. It is continuous tense. So there will be am being, is being, are being plus past participle of main verb. There is main verb preventing. Preventing will be prevented. And am is, are will be am being, is being, are being. And past participle of main verb. Object will be subject and subject will be by plus object. So what will be? Coronavirus is being prevented by them. What will be? Coronavirus is being prevented by them. Next, 87. She killed herself. Passive voice. She killed herself. It is active voice. And there is herself. If there is herself, himself, yourself, themselves, ourselves, yourselves, what will be? This herself, himself, ourselves, yourself, myself will not be changed. It will be by plus herself, himself, ourselves, themselves, yourselves, etc. Subject will not be changed. So what will be? She was killed by herself. Such as they helped themselves, they were helped by themselves. I help myself, I am helped by myself. So if there is self, herself, yourself, it will not be changed. It will be remain with by plus herself, himself, herself, and verb sentence will be changed, and she will not be changed. She subject will be same. So what will be? She killed herself. She was killed by herself. Next. '88. Which book was bought yesterday by you? It is passive voice, because there is was and past participle of main verb by plus you object. So it is passive voice. We have to change it active voice. How can we change this sentence into active voice? Which is interrogative pronoun, so it will not be changed. Which book? Which book did you buy yesterday? What will be? As it is past tense, there will be did auxiliary verb, because it is interrogative sentence. So you must remember, if there is interrogative sentence in past tense, there will be auxiliary verb before the subject. So what will be? Which book did you buy yesterday? Next, 89. Solid food was being eaten yesterday by us. Solid food, dry food. Okay, solid food means dry food. Solid food was eaten. Solid food was being eaten yesterday by us. Passive voice. It is passive voice. It also be active voice, so the name will be changed. It is not, it will be active voice. Okay. Solid food was being eaten yesterday by us. What will be? By will be omitted and us will be we, because it is object, object will be subject. We were eating solid food yesterday. We were eating solid food yesterday. What will be? We were eating solid food yesterday. Next, 90. Our parents should be respected by us. Our parents should be respected by us. It is also passive voice. It will be active voice. What? It will be active voice, because it is passive voice. How? Because there is should plus be plus past participle of main verb. So it will be, it is active passive voice, and it will be changed into active voice. How? By will be omitted and us will be we, because us is object here, it will be subject. Us nominative objective case, it will be nominative case. In case of voice sense, us will be we. So we should respect our parents. We should respect our parents. If there is modal verb, should be, could be, can be, may be, might be, must be, there will be can, could, may, might, must be will be omitted, and respected will be respect present indefinite tense. After modal verb, the verb is always present tense, present form. Okay. What will be? Our parents should be respected by us. We should respect our parents. Okay. Dear students, if you follow this sentence again and again, and if you hear my lecture, I hope that this video will be helpful to you, and this video will be beneficial to you if you study with heart and soul. I am going to publish my another video very soon. You are advised to follow my next lecture relating to English grammar as far as I can. During this crisis period, I hope that this video will be helpful to you. No more today. Thank you all.